Hi, my name is Amit Jain. I came to DHI to get my hair transplant done. In fact, when I was looking at the initial DHI details on social media and other plans, I actually finalized that this is the place where I need to go for my hair transplant. I think the DHI team helped me a lot in understanding the implications of a hair transplant versus using a new cosmetic stuff. And with that decision, I went for the new cosmetic hair implementation on my head. And you can see the impact on my hair. I am really feeling great. It's giving me additional confidence to carry myself. And I'm really happy to DHI and the team and staff in particular who helped me with the new haircut and other stuff. So it's giving me a new confidence, and I'm really happy with the fact that DHI is there to help us. Thank you so much.